today, guys. This is the day we got enough Anderson and the gyro shot. I don't know what this is. Really confused. I've never had these Andersons before. I've encountered this in like outsource. But I won the battle. I was close to dying, still winning. I don't really know what is, like, what is this? Like, fart or something? Wait, what? Wait, I'm actually so confused. He's playing random dinosaurs and spinal sutures. I don't know, bro. What is this? I got a Udon. It's so cool. You can pick whatever dinosaur you can put in. Okay, that guy's good. That he's dead. What is going on, bro? Oh, what? That's actually sick. What? I wanna do. We had Diplo Sutures, so we're gonna go spin up the Sutures. No, then this one, this and this. And what? I picked. Oh no. Okay. We got a level. There's a level 1 Diplo Sutures. That's what I have. I do not have a level 26 Diplo. But this is my first time seeing Spam at the Sutures though. Even though we're gonna have some, but still looking at us I don't really know. Let's just full on attacking. Oh! Oh, bad, bro. I just died. Oh, that thing is cool. Reworks. That thing is so cool. That is awesome. That is actually so cool. I've never seen Spanish Sutures before. Today's my day I can see them. Also, killing a Diplo Sutures is insane. Brother, I want to see his like move. His second move. I actually want to see his special move. Blocks like I do always. That's so cool. I'm gonna get one soon. Okay. Oh! Oh! Spinal at the Sutures goated. Next ride. Why do we gotta be in a seat? Wait, manage team. Huh? Diplo Sutures is gone. Oh, man, this guy. 50 bucks? No. No. Nah, I give up, bro. I want it. I don't want it. Hey! At least you got coins. That's what's up. Okay. And there we go. 100. Let's go. Yeah! Okay, time to do this. We didn't get to see Spanish for 2. Shit. Okay, why did I even do that? Oh yeah, because of the let's go. Okay. Nothing. And more coins this time. Don't mind if I do. I'm gonna try to get another solid gold. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Let's go. Let's start. And then Shark Shadow's Cold Tear. That I'll never do. What lies beneath? Well, that's not it actually. I accidentally ran out of storage on that other video, so I am not gonna upload it. Right here, right now, we're playing Netbox once again. I'm sorry for the low quality last time. I am so sorry. I just don't know why I had low quality, but the tornado was going insane. The people flying in the air, the flag got crushed. Yeah, it was just terror. But now I'm understanding. Okay, we can survive this. We can survive. Okay. Go back here. Oh my gosh, it saved it. The flag got crushed, like I mentioned. Okay, we're not gonna talk about that, but someone is missing. Oh wait, there he is. No, he's dead. Oh, poor guy. He got ripped. Bro, this tornado is violent. Look at them. They're all dead. It was just chaotic. 0000000. The heck is that? Why is there like someone there? What is this? Wait. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Oh, what the heck? That is so weird. That is so weird. That is weird. Okay, let's just make it already. You may be wondering where's the nut box. It'll come soon. I will do it. Yeah, gotta leave. But we still have time. I'll make another tornado video soon. After that, we're gonna make the Netbox video. If you guys want it, you guys could request me. I don't know. Brother. I don't know why you can't comment though. I will find out how to fix that. So you guys can comment if you want me to play Netbox once again. Or not. Depends on y'all. I'm gonna have to fix these videos. Also, I've been trying. I think it's called. I don't know, bro. I just don't know. This time we're gonna make 2 floors. Yeah. Instead, the roof will completely be demolished. This time we're gonna have high-tech walls. Well, high-tech walls. It just got literally thrown off. This time we're gonna do a front log. Yeah, the tornado won't be able to pass that shield. That shield is gonna be impossible. Okay, add 2 people down there. Also add 2 people. No. Not you, bro. Not you. Not you. Kind of looks like a horror mod. It reminds me of a horror man. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. Why are you going that way? I'm only gonna edit this part. Okay, guys. I'm not only these videos, so you guys, well, our other video literally got 88 views. 88 views means 88 subscribers. Get it? Oh, there it goes. Oh no, why did I cut it? Okay, that shield. No! There it goes. There it goes. There goes the shield. Oh no, the flag is moving. Oh no, it's getting launched. It's getting launched. Ooh! Oh jeez, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? The flag is still. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, the base is still left. There's like flying debris everywhere. We're disappearing. Oh no. Oh! 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 What is going on? Whoa! What's going on, bro? They're flying in the air. The bricks are everything. The house parts are disappearing now. Everybody's dying. Oh! Someone already got smashed to the. Oh, blood. Oh, the flag's back. It's about to go. Oh! Oh! That guy's getting launched once again. Tornado's disappearing. It is not. Oh, it is still killing people. Oh my gosh, there's a brick wall. Debris of a brick wall. The freaking barrier is flipped upside down. What is going? Oh, oh, that was chaotic. What was going on? The tornado was tweaking out. Wait, some people survived. But oh my gosh, this guy's doing acrobatics. Heal them. Heal them. Move this shield out the way. The shield, it literally crushed them. Yeah, he's alive. Yeah. Okay, that guy did not survive. That guy, hold on. At least you didn't get. How did you survive the impact? Like, this is unrealistic, bruh. This was so fun though. Oh my goodness gracious. Hold on, go in slow-mo. Shake this thing out. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's hitting the other people. The other person. Oh my gosh, bro, he's putting his butt. Nah. Okay, now what is he doing? Oh my gosh, bro, what happened? What the heck? Bro, you are one weird shield. That is the weirdest shield I've ever seen in my life. Look what it's doing. Nah. We're not in space, bro. We're not in space. What is bro doing? We're definitely not in space. Want to see a space tornado? We'll do that in the next video. Okay? Bro, what the heck is it doing? This ball is weirder than your grandpa's toenails, bro. Like, I'm not kidding. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you in the next box video or the space video. I don't know. Probably decide. I'm gonna decide if I want to do both. I'm gonna do both, but I don't know who's gonna be first. I'm gonna pick it. Goodbye.